In our top story tonight, Fayetteville Public Schools' Alan Woolborn tells us a student at Washington Elementary School was diagnosed with the contagious and potentially deadly disease pertussis, more commonly known as whooping cough. This is the second confirmed case of the illness in Northwest Arkansas this month. A student at Pea Ridge Intermediate School also caught it. The Arkansas Department of Health requires students who have exemptions for the pertussis vaccine or no record of the vaccination to be excluded from school for 21 days from the date of exposure. Wilburn says that extra custodians were at the school this morning to provide additional cleaning before classes. They resume Monday, December 2nd. Whooping cough is a highly contagious disease involving the nose, throat, and the chest. Anyone at any age can get it, and symptoms resemble a common cold: sneezing, runny nose, low-grade fever, and a cough. Within 2 weeks, the cough becomes severe and can cause episodes of numerous fast coughs, followed by a crowing or high-pitched whoop. Now, ADH says getting the vaccine is the only way to protect your child from the deadly and rare disease.